Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Toyota Sienna garage door opener. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is on or the engine is running. For your initial setup, it's best to clear any previous programming. Simply press and hold the two outside home link buttons for about 10 to 20 seconds until the indicator light flashes rapidly. Always park your Sienna safely outside the garage before you begin this process. Now, let's link your handheld remote. Hold your garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link button you wish to program. Press and hold both the remote button and your chosen home link button at the same time. Keep holding them until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash. This indicates the frequency signal has been learned, and you can then release both buttons. If your garage door uses a rolling code system, there are a few more steps. Head into your garage and locate the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor. Press and release this button. An indicator light on the opener will typically begin blinking for about 30 seconds. Quickly return to your Sienna and firmly press the home link button you just programmed 3 to 4 times, holding it for 2 seconds each time until the garage door operates. Finally, it's time to test your new setup. Press the programmed home link button to confirm that your garage door opens and closes as expected. If the door doesn't respond, don't worry. Simply repeat the programming steps from the beginning. Sometimes, a weak signal from an old remote battery can cause issues, so consider replacing the battery in your handheld remote for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.